How to create a Gmail account. Click on browser icon on taskbar or from start menu, programs. In search bar type Gmail and click enter. Click on Gmail from search results and choose create an account from the right side top menu. Here you need fill your first name and last name. Username will be your Gmail account ID. Now your password does need to contain 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Click on Show Password Radio button to check your password is same in password and confirm password fields. Make sure to remember Gmail ID and password and click on Next. You can use your phone number or you can just leave it for now if you don't want it. Type a recovery email if you have another email. If you don't, then you may leave the field. Date of birth. I'm gonna put some information here. This you can put whatever you want, so rather than say for example and then click on Next. Scroll down here. Just keep going down so you can see Agree. Click on Agree. We're just gonna wait for this to load up and should be ready with Gmail account. And that's it, you can get ready with your Gmail account right now. Let me just give a quick tour. Inbox for all your incoming mails. Here is a welcome email from Google. Right here compose to make an email, so just click right there to send out an email to anybody. If you like to look up your settings and stuff like that's gonna be on top right corner. If you click here you can also look at your account itself. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.